Yeah, hi Gary. Good day to you. By the way, this is Tessa from SEO Geek Squad, and you were referred to me by Jessica. I'll go ahead and shoot a screencast video and show you the important tips that, if you consider today, it will help bring in more customers to your business and it will help to rank your website organically by doing SEO. So let's get started. I just opened up your website, and to tell you honestly, your site does look great. Okay, I would like to commend it because it was a beautiful website. I like how you maximize the header, okay, the background image on it, especially your menu, including your homepage, products tab, marketing solutions tab, contact, and your phone number. Good thing that you have a lot of images or photos of the services and products that you offer. One last thing is your website footer, okay, this part. And if there's something that we need to work on, that would be your click to call button for your phone number. And I've noticed that it's kind of awkward, the extra white pages at the bottom of your page. And last is your word content. Still, there are some opportunities to beat your competitors, and let's tackle that within this video. First, I've noticed that you only have a maximum of 500 words on your front page. Well, I would like to mention that Google wants to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words scattered all over your website, especially your homepage that's supposed to tell them what your site is all about. Here's what they do. Google send out robots that read all the content you have on your front page. Plus, the content you have on your site tells them whether you should be ranking for a specific keyword or not. Also, content is not just in text, it is also behind pictures, meaning all the available images with an exact keywords are a big impact to your site. So let's go ahead and talk about the keywords your site is being found for. Or when I type in flyer delivery Calgary keywords, I found out that flyer shop is on the first page of Google in ninth spot. Okay. I also tried different keywords like business cards, Calgary, Calgary business card printing, and it seems that these keywords found you on the second page. So I would like to give you an idea that being on the top three of the organic listing gets you more traffic or customers. So meaning beyond that, it does mean that you're not ranking. Before we continue, let me introduce you to Ahrefs. Okay, this is one of the tools I'm using. The good thing about this tool, it allows me to see your site and your competitor sites. I can check every keyword you're being found for, how many backlinks you have, and what your competitors are doing. So let's use this to check the status of your website. And according to Ahrefs, this report shows that you have 849 backlinks, 411 organic keywords, and 272 organic traffic. So as you can see, these are the list of keywords that your site is being found for. So I did my research and I found out that there are some searches of your services in your area that you are missing out and going to your competitors. And this is really critical for your business. People are searching for keywords like business printing Calgary. Okay, so when I type in or when I search these keywords, it shows that you're on the third page of Google. Also, Flyers Superstore Calgary, you're on the third page as well. Even the keyword Flyers Calgary. Okay, even though you have more than 400 keywords, there are some words that doesn't help rank your site on the first page. I checked that you also serve in Western Canada, so we can use your top keywords to rank your website on those areas. One thing, you are one of the businesses that doing pay-per-click ads to get customers. However, it does necessarily means it always becomes a lead or a customer. So our goal here, Gary, is to rank your website organically by doing SEO. And that's the first important thing I wanted to share, right? So I mentioned about SEO, right? So this is the search engine optimization. This is how you improve or optimize your Google rankings to get more traffic through your website. And there are only two factors that determine your ranking on search engine. First is the on-site optimization. This is you showing Google that you're rank worthy and awesome. It's vital. Even if a website looks really great to you or me, that doesn't mean it's actually a healthy website for Google. Search engines are looking for very specific technical items on your web pages. Not all of these are visible to the average visitor. We have a deep understanding of what criteria Google is using to determine the rankings. But on top of that, we also look at your competitors, investigate what they're doing right, and use that details to further fill the picture of the best optimization strategy for your business. So this is not how beautiful your website is. Having the right stuff on your website isn't enough, okay? So all the stuff happening under the surface internally, that's why we have what we call the offsite optimization, okay? So this is the second factor I want to go over with you on this video. Google wants to see how many other websites link to your website. So the way other websites told Google you're awesome is by creating a hyperlink to your website. This is what we call a backlink. This is what Google robots are looking for. So let's go back to Ahrefs, and you only have 849 backlinks. And as you can see, by the way, the more credible and relevant your link sites are, or the more Google feels confident that you are the authority for your keywords. For example, if you get a link from apple.com, that carries more weight than if you got a link from Tommy's Dry Cleaning in Toledo. What we do here is we make sure you've got the most credible and relevant business websites linking or link to your site so that Google's trust in your site builds over time. Then they reward you with more traffic. To sum it up, Gary, in the first month, the most important thing is to work on the on-site optimization. This is the foundation of your ability to rank, so we take care of that right away. Once complete, we're going right to work on the off-site optimization for building you high-quality backlinks month in and month out. This one-two punch will steadily climb you in the rankings and increase website traffic. In all likelihood, you will not rank on the first page in 3 to 6 months. Although it does happen from time to time, but what reliably and consistently does happen is we will see some positive movement in your rankings within 3 to 6 months. So you can be sure that we're definitely on the right track. By the way, I really want to show you two different websites and how SEO affect their Google rankings and number of customers. So you're seeing one right now is the Handyman Macon, a newly created website. Let me use this an example, a different niche, a different website that we made. And can you believe that before this website can even see on Google, neither on the top listing? It can generate customers, leads. However, after doing SEO on their websites, after 3 months, it started to rank in the organic listing using the keywords Handyman, Macon, GA, or Georgia. So this site is on the first page of Google, sixth spot to be exact. Also, it's starting to generate more customers. So I have a report here that I want to show you. So we already received more calls for handyman niche for the past 3 months. And on average, the cost of handyman service is $400. So you multiply it by the number of calls that you've got. So this month, Gary, we received 64 calls. And let's say those are yes customers, we can get an additional $25. Imagine if this is a printing job, business cards, or other services that you offered, that is the potential revenue and the number of potential customers you're losing for not ranking your website with SEO. Same with the second site I want to show you, which is the Excavation Plano. A newly created website too can generate customers since then, and after doing SEO on their website, this site ranked on the first page of Google, first spot to be exact, okay, using the keyword Excavation Plano, Texas. So you can now see the difference, right? Also, you can check these websites to get an idea about the on-site and off-site optimization. And one last thing that I want to talk to you about is the SEO or the ROI calculator, a very important tool that is meant to show the value of SEO, but based on the numbers or on your numbers. So first one we have is the number of searches per month that you do depending on how big the jobs are. To give you an idea, what to put in here is actually based on the keywords research that you've done for a specific niche. Let's say 2,000 searches per month. On average, you have about 25% click-through rate if you're getting them from the map, organic listing, or top three spots. You can expect something on there. And you can also get about 500 visitors on a monthly basis. The thing about the website conversion is when someone complete desired action on your website. So you could even have conversion rates in the 40 to 50 range. So out of 500 visitors that come to your website, 150 of them would become an opportunity for a sales call. Meaning, Gary, 150 of them pick up the phone, call you, or send you an email to inquire, right? So for your sales conversion rate, let's say it's 30%, we still be needing the number of jobs you have. And for the value average, it depends on what jobs are. Let's say it's a printing design or printing or design services, mailing and post, delivery, business cards and posters process. So let's say it will cost you $400. Again, the value you have here are the number of searches per month, probably the 30% sales conversion is the movement, right? So all in all, the total or the revenue estimate is $18,000. Right? So, Gary, I hope you really enjoyed the video and it might give you an idea about the importance of SEO to your business and some of the tips that I've mentioned to get more customers through your website. If you are interested in what I've discussed today, feel free to call us or for more details, okay, or send us an email. We'll be happy to answer your questions. Again, this is Tessa. Thank you and have a great day.